Hello everyone, it's me Shad and you are watching Shad's Reaction and I'm back with another video guys. So today we are going to laugh at this dude. His name is Wizard Yansid. And this dude recently crossed 100k subscribers. So congrats to him. He's now currently on 170k subscribers and he got this silver play button for crossing 100k. He made these unboxing videos which I found super hilarious. So I thought, why don't I just watch this video with you guys? So let's get started. So the first thing that you gotta do while watching this video, yes, this one, you gotta just go to settings and just lower your sound because it's gonna get intense. I'm telling you guys, I'm just warning you, it's gonna get intense. Okay, so let's start. So it took him 10 seconds to realize that his video is already started. I'm not roasting, okay? I'm not roasting in this video. We have came here just to get entertained by these two. So why not we just get entertained and stop roasting, okay?
What is going on YouTube?
Okay, so now you get it why I told you to lower your volume? This is the reason, bro.
This YouTube video, I am video recording, and this is me. This YouTube video, I will be unboxing a YouTube silver play button that I got for 100,000k subscribers.
He got this YouTube silver play button for 100,000k subscribers.
So I just want to thank everyone. It means a lot. Thank you so much.
I want to thank everyone that lost their eardrums just because of me. Thank you guys for giving me that views. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Wait a second, wait. Let me just check out his channel real quick. So he uploaded his last video 16 hours ago. ASMR Marshmallow Fruity Bubbles. Pebble? He joined YouTube on 23rd November 2019. I joined YouTube on 25th Jan 2019. So he came after me and crossed 100k subscribers. And I'm here with only 110 subscribers, bro.
To open this
We need to open this, guys. You don't know. You need to open this, okay?
without ripping the box.
12 seconds later.
Damn, son. Imagine someone kisses your hands like this. Damn, he's still kissing the shit, bro. Thank God this thing was before coronavirus. I guess it was before coronavirus, right? No, it was during corona thing, bro. Damn. Imagine how many people touched this shit, bro. And he's just licking it. Oh my gosh, bro.
Stop it.
Okay, if he opens his tape like this, it's gonna take days to open this box, bro. And we don't have this much time, okay? So we gotta just skip. Damn. He's using his tits now.
Let me smell it.
This dude is just smelling his play button, bro. This might be the first person that I've ever seen that smelled play button. I saw people kissing play button. I saw people doing stuff with play button. I even saw people doing that kind of stuff with play button, but smelling play button, bro.
I am the one, your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the best
smells like accomplished. Let's go, my dude. You finally showed the world that you can feel accomplished by ripping thousands of people's eardrums. Let's go. That's enough. Now let's read the comment section. The best part of this video.
CBA, never say I've been on my grind for 7 days. Need a raise, swear to God I'll never be the same.
Me talking to my mom on the phone. No one. My friend making weird noises. Okay, we get it. We already get it. Okay, if you don't have friends like this, they're not your friends, okay? They're just here for your money. What I hear coming from my mom's room. This comment section is 18 plus, okay? If you're under 18, you are not allowed. Wait, I'm also under 18. But it's okay, bro. Netflix, are you still watching Someone's Daughter? That's enough, brother. Godzilla is pissing his pants right now. Okay, if you saw the Godzilla movie, you know this, bro. Cause he screams like shit, bro. Still, I think that this dude can beat Godzilla. Come on, bro, you got it. Just gotta practice even more. You got this, bro. You got this. Wear headphones, volume up your phone, sit down, click, and relax. So this dude told me to do this, and I have to do it. Come on, guys, smash like right now. I don't know why I'm trying to be like Logan Paul, but smash like. Yeah, Logan Paul literally does that every single time before doing any shit. He will just say smash like and subscribe, guys. Like, bro, chill. If they like your content, they're gonna subscribe. Just chill. I'm going to 50%. I can't do any more than that. Please, guys, please. Oh my gosh, my ear's gonna blast, bro. If my eardrums just rip out, please pray for me and subscribe. Don't forget to like, okay? Now let's just enjoy the moment. Okay, that's enough. I can't anymore, bro. But I did it. I did it, guys. Like.
Why are you gay?
Damn, he just ate us, bro. We all died. Wait, I can put a meme in this. Wanna check it out?
No.
Yeah.
No. Why are you gay?
This is the end of this video. Hopefully y'all have enjoyed it. If you did enjoy, then please make sure to drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.